they
Yeah.
got my car.
Oh, PD?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Nigga, to get it out is
500? Just 500?
500,000. No, that's not funny, bro.
Oh shit. Damn.
No, no, no. No, that's not funny. Cause bro, all of the shit is in there.
Oh shit, bro. I wouldn't even be mad if it was 50K, but damn,
Nigga,
500K?
no. Nigga, 100K, I was paying it. 500K? My nigga.
Yeah, you ain't getting that shit back, man.
Bro. No, like I cannot lose that car.
But yeah, they do say